Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, still writing. Finished.
Yes.
Okay. So I think now you again forgot to turn on the cameras. Shami, Tenoja, Genoli, Litun. Yes. Okay. Finish writing?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So let's go. So when you add additional clock, what will happen? So when you go on top of this clock, when you click or when you go to the top of this clock, it will show both clocks. So let me change. So let me show this way. Here, when I go to the top of this, you can see both clocks are clock 1 and clock 2. Both are showing. Sometimes you need this when if you're having a hotel, if you're having a mother branch or the main branch in some other country and your branch in another country, so 2 countries, then you have to show. So sometimes in hotels, I think you have seen this. 2 clocks or 3 clocks are there showing the time in different locations. So if you are having foreign visitors, especially if you are having visitors from UK, you have to show UK time and local time. So that can be done by using these additional clocks. You can add 2, right? 2 clocks. Right here. So if you go to change time, you can change the date and time. And even you can change the calendar settings. So whether to show like date, month, year, or DMY or DMYYY, full date, full month, year. So likewise, DDMMMMYY. So these are different formats. When I put like this, you can see it's showing 15 December 20, short date. And if I go here and change this let's change the additional settings and change date to this format, DD, YYYY, then apply. And you can see it's shown as here. The format is now 12/15/2020. Can change the format. Right, okay. So now let's see how to do this using command prompt or command line operating system. Let's do this using command line operating system. Okay, please go to command prompt again. Press Windows button and CMD. Windows button, then CMD. Now right click. So don't click this directly. CMD. Right click and run as administrator. Because administrators la vitarai denne date time change karana. Administrators are allowed to change the date and time. So if you go with the normal user account, it will not be allowed. Please click run as administrator. Then it will ask this message. Click yes to this. Select yes. Then you will get something like this: C Windows System 32. Got it?
Okay, sir, got it. Yes, sir, got it.
Others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How to do this? Again, I'm repeating. Go to Windows button, type CMD, right click on this and run as administrator. Right. Then here, please type date. Then it will ask the new date format. Let's type, okay, mum type karna mehima 12-14-20 and I'll press enter. Then see here, automatically date will be changed.
Yes, sir.
Automatically.
Okay, so it changed.
Now it changed. That is easy, no? Faster.
Yeah.
Yes, that is faster. But the thing is, kind of difficult to learn. That's the only thing. That is the command line. You can type time and press enter. Then it will ask for time. Let's give like, okay, let's give 20:00. Then press enter. Then it will change time to, now time is also changed to 8 p.m. Here you can see. This is the original time going on Mac. Mac ke penanne wala penana metan original time එක 8:09. But here you can see in the Windows it's 8 because it has changed the time. Done it or not?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, sir.
Okay, I cannot hear voices from girls. Come on. Are you doing this or not done?
Done, sir.
All of you?
Done, sir.
Right, okay. Right, so then please change back to the original, right? So place time again and give the correct one. 8:08, now it's 8:10. And go to date, press enter, give the correct date. It is 12:15:20. Press enter and it will change. Here you can see the date and time changed. Right, let's write some other command. So command prompt is kind of customizable. You can write any command. And so please write the same command. Don't write anything else. Please write the same command. And shut down -F space -S space -R minus T, then give 6
Right, processor. Minutes come.
600. Shut down -F -S -T 600 and then press enter. Then you will get this message. Getting this message or not?
Sir, I got, sir.
The thumbs up?
I also got it, sir.
Aditi?
Oh.
So I said, don't give wrong command, you will be shut. Your machine will shut down soon, right? So instead of 60, if you give 6, your machine will shut down within 6 seconds, right? If you give 0 here, what will happen? Immediately it will shut down, right? So we have 10 minutes to finish the class. That's why I gave this one. Then you will not ask questions from me because your machine will shut down, right?
Okay, sir.
Not because of that. I just, so you can stop this, but you can't stop this using Windows, right? You have to stop this only by using a command. If you want to stop this, you have to type shutdown -A and it will stop. Then you will get a message saying it's cancelled. So anyway, if you give this command, don't worry, your machine will not shut down. So, but if you give this command and if you forget to give the second command, your machine will shut down. So what happens if you give 6,000? It is?
Shut down in 6,000 seconds.
6,000 seconds means how many? So it's 1 hour and 40 minutes, no?
Yes.
Is it correct or I don't know? Just divide by 60.
Correct.
Divide by 60, it's 100 minutes. 100 minutes, 100 minutes is 1 hour and 40 minutes.
1 hour and 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Yeah. Likewise, if you have a download, so last day this happened when I was doing the practical, I asked someone to do a practical. Then I started, I asked to download Ubuntu. I cannot remember who is this, so whether he is in this class or not. So he was just, he said that he was waiting 6 hours to download. But don't worry, if you know this, you can give the command, target in 6 hours. After 6 hours, shut down the computer. No need to wait till the late night. Right? You can give this command for 6 hours. 6 hours means, is it, how many minutes? 6 hours means 36,000. No, 60 seconds means 1 hour.
1 hour and 40 minutes, sir.
Yeah, 600 means 10 minutes.
10 minutes, yes, 10 minutes.
Yes, that is 10 minutes. Then 1 hour, 3,600.
1 hour,
Yes, sir.
300. Yes, sir, that's right. You're right.
Then 10 hours, it's 36,000.
Yes.
So you can be like that.
10 hours.
Then you'll get a command, like your machine will shut down in that number of, you can give a time like that. System shutdown. And you can upload that if you want, you can cancel it.
What if we type 1 and 12 zeros?
1 and 12 zeros.
Yep.
There's a big amount. I don't know. You just type and see. In case sometimes it will give an error or shut down your machine immediately. I don't know. Right? So just give and see. Sometimes it will accept, but sometimes not. Okay, now you know. So what is command line and what is graphical user interface? The command line interface is also operating system, but it uses commands only. It uses commands only. And even you can call graphical user interface by using command line, right? You can write here bubbles.scr and it will start running.
Thank you for saying that, sir. I can.
Okay. So likewise, you can give this one MS Paint and you can open Paint here. You can type WinWord and open Word. Yes.
Sir, there's a message when I type bubbles.scr, it says
Options not set.
yeah.
Options not set. Yeah, that can be. Because you have to set some options. I cannot remember the options now, right? So if you give MS Paint, it will start running the paint. If you give Notepad, it will open the Notepad, right? So likewise, from command prompt, you can call GUI, graphical user interface. Yeah, if you really want to do, then Windows R and type, go to Windows and R, then type bubbles.scr, that will work in the run. Right, okay. So now we have an idea about what are these two operating systems. So next, the last thing I'm going to do is change in the currency, change in the regional option or so I'm going to change the currency symbol. To do that, right click in your desktop, and go to new and then select Excel worksheet, Microsoft Excel worksheet. Right click, new, Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then after getting that, please double click on that. It will open Excel. Now go to some empty cell and type some number, let's say 150. And then put $sign. Or from here, from numbers, change that to currency. Change that to currency.
Sir, can you repeat the steps again, please?
Sure. Right click in the desktop first. right click in the desktop, new, then select Microsoft Excel worksheet. After getting the sheet, double click on the sheet to open Excel. After getting the Excel sheet, type a number here. Let's say 150. Anywhere. Then select that and change the symbol to change the number format to currency. Probably you will get dollar here. Currency දැම්මම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඔයාලට එන්නේ ඩොලර් එකක්. ඩොලර්ස් 150යි කියලා එන්නේ. Getting anything else or dollar mark?
Dollar marks.
Dollar mark. Those who have edited already, they will go to rupees, but that's dollar mark. To change this,
sir, एक rupees करना ना control panel लेकिन नहीं सर.
Change करना, right? So then please go to, so keep this as it is. Don't close this. Keep this as it is, and go to the control panel. So you know how to go to control panel now. Windows R, and then control. Windows R, then control, and click OK. In the control panel, please go to region. Region, yes, region. Yeah, region. Click on region. Click on region. You will get a window like this. In this one, click additional settings. Additional settings. And from the additional settings, please go to.
Sir, can you repeat that again in the region?
Region. Please click on region. Then go to additional settings here. In region, please go to additional settings. In additional settings, please go to currency and change this dollar symbol to RS dot. Go to currency tab, change this dollar symbol to RS dot and apply. Then click OK and again apply and click OK. Apply, click OK, again apply, click OK, and in the Excel you can see rupees. If I followed the steps correctly, you can see rupees in the Excel sheet in the currency.
Can you do it again?
Which one?
Sir, I got it.
You got it, right. If you want me to do this again, in the control panel, go to region, additional settings, currency tab, put RS dot and apply OK. Again, after clicking OK, again apply OK, and that will change the settings of your Excel. Okay, that's how you are going to change the currency setting, and this is in the book. So I'm not going to give a note.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah, that is in your book. So please go through your book, right? So here you have this one. Here, currency settings. But all the details are not there. But the last window is there. So you can write the details from the beginning. Okay. So then before we finish, let's write our homework for the next week. Okay, as a homework, you have to do this. Identify 30 file types used in Windows. Draw the icon when it is possible. Identify 30 file types used in Windows. Draw the icon when it is possible.
The files.
File types, yeah. File types means, so let me quickly show. You saw in the Windows here, what I have done to create the Excel file. I did something like the right click, new, Excel worksheet. It has created the Excel. That is one file type. This is Excel. Right click, new, take here, take PowerPoint. That is another file type. This is called PowerPoint. And the shortcut is another file type. So if you create right click, new, text document, it is another file type. Likewise, try to identify at least 30 file types used in Windows and try to draw the icons of those files. Okay, that is your homework. Sorry. Okay, I'll finish with this. I'll finish with this homework and let's see you all tomorrow. And tomorrow, sorry, not tomorrow, next week, next day. So before next day, please remember to book your practicals, but we are not going to do practicals this week. We are going to start from January. But anyway, please reserve your practical slot in the sheet. Then, thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Teruan saranai.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Bye.
Good night, sir. Bye. Sir.